Okay, practice problems for Tuesday, September 30th. Mr. Anderson is ordering pizzas for a class. Pizza Party, Pizza Palace has a special where he can buy 3 large pizzas for $18.75. At Mario's Pizzeria, he can buy 4 large pizzas for $22. If he needs to buy 12 pizzas, how much will he save if he buys the pizzas from Mario's Pizzeria instead of Pizza Palace? So you're kind of giving it away that Mario's is going to be cheaper. So we'll do Mario and we'll do Pizza Palace here. Pizza Palace is pizza and money. Number of pizzas for the Pizza Palace is 3 for $18.75, and for Mario's it looks like it's 4 for $22. I think there's a Mario's Pizza in Waterbury, isn't there? Okay, so now we have to do one of two things. We could find the price for one pizza, all right, and then multiply by 12. But to me, I think I'd rather change the 3 to a 12 and the 4 to a 12 here. 3 to a 12 is going to be multiplying both by 4. So you would have to multiply $18.75 by 4 to get you your price. And here you multiply by 3. So 22 times 3 is going to get you your price here. Okay. Mario's is definitely going to be cheaper because looking at 4 times 18, I know that's 72 already, and 3 times 22 is 66. But we need to know the exact amount. So I've set it up for you. Once you get these answers here, you got to subtract them, find the difference. All right, the next one, number 3. Melissa is buying party favors to make gift bags. Supplies Ltd sells a 5-pack of favors for $11.25. So we're going to make a table for Ltd, and that's favors and money. So 5-pack costs $11.25, and for parties and more, it's a 3-pack of favors for $8.25. So she's buying 15. So again, and you don't really necessarily have to find the unit rate here. You could do that and then multiply by 15. I think it saves time here to go right from 3 to 15 by multiplying both of these by 5, and these multiplying both of these by 3. And then you can compare the price of 15 directly and figure out which one is more affordable. Number 5, a bakery makes 260 donuts in 4 hours. At this rate, how many donuts can they make in 6 hours? So you're gonna have your donuts, you're gonna have your hours, you know it's 260 for 4. How many do they make in 6 hours? I would cut in half. I would make this a 2, make this a 130. Now, all we have to do really is add these. Or we could convert this by multiplying by 3 on both sides. All right, number 7. Naomi can run 12 miles in 108 minutes. She is thinking about running in 2 different races. This is just like the race thing that we did. We did one of these. That was, I think, the check problem. Wasn't that the check problem? Let's see. Yeah, this is just like the check problem we did in class. So I'm not going over this one. You can figure this one out on your own. Go back to the check problem. It's the same type of problem. It's just different numbers. And then the last one you had to do was number 9. Billy bikes 9 miles in 45 minutes. At this rate, can she bike 24 miles in 2 hours? All right, so you're going to want to set up a table for that. You know she can do 9 miles in 45 minutes. But what about 2 hours? So you really need to know how many minutes are inside of 2 hours. All right? And basically, you're going to set that time here. So I'll give you a little bit of a hint. It's 120. So you're going to have to go from 45 to 120 somehow. See if you can do it. It's a fairly easy way you could do this. It's going to be a few rows in your table, but you should be able to figure this out. All right. And then if this number here is 24 or higher, when you're done, you're good. Okay, I'll see you Wednesday.